everybody, my name is Vish. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about work from home jobs, motivation video, informative videos, and you will see lots of great videos in the coming days. I have a simple request, do subscribe my channel and please encourage my videos. I'll bring the best videos from my end. Today I got one more update for you guys. Yes, today I got one more work from home job update. This company name is called Cactus and they are hiring for various remote positions. Don't miss this amazing opportunity. I will tell you the step by steps in this particular video. Don't skip my videos because my videos is very short. It's just 5 to 7 minutes and you can easily apply if you spend 5 to 10 minutes of your time. It's wonderful opportunity. Keep trying. Even if you don't get shortlisted, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna post lots of work from home jobs videos in the coming days. And also do comment from which place you are watching this video and I will guide all the steps in this particular video. Now I'm gonna share all the step by step. Let's get started. The first step is try to go Google, type Cactus Global Jobs. You'll see the official website. Go over there. You'll see the filter bar. Select India region. You'll see lots of job openings related to India region. It's completely work from home. Try to apply all the jobs. Even if you don't have experience, try to apply. Enter your email ID. Click the checkbox over there. Click next. Yeah, after this you will see this kind of page. You can upload your resume from your mobile or laptop. It's better if you log in to your laptop and apply. Enter your email ID, password, re-enter the password. Make sure you remember your password. There are other information. I've added the basic details, my first name, last name, my mobile number, the location. I stay in Bangalore. I have selected Bangalore. And India nationality. So these steps you can easily add all the details, guys. Add your education details. If you spend 5 to 10 minutes of your time, it's very super easy, guys. Just try to add all the basic details. I have shown in this particular video. Just try to follow my video. So there are other openings also. Same process. Just try to add all the details and click on submit button. So this way you can follow the instructions. So right now you can see I'm just scrolling. There are other openings also. They have contract positions and few roles is they have not mentioned permanent. Just try to apply, whether even if your resume is selected or it doesn't matter, just try to apply. If you get shortlisted, definitely you will get a official notification, or you may get called from the HR department. And make sure change your resume format according to the requirements and try to apply. If you have any questions, please you can comment in the comment box. I will share all these job links in the description box. Please make sure follow my videos. Just try to copy the link and you can easily paste in the Chrome or Firefox browser, and that's it, you can easily apply. And if you have any questions, please ask, and also share this video with your loved ones. I'll be back with the next video, guys. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.